Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M05 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. And as you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, 35 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, then camera, etc. So if you want to, you can tap on this graph and you will be transferred to this dashboard where you can compare the specific time on the screen during the specific days of the week, but also the notifications and the unlocks. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.